What is good, loves? Welcome back to the channel. Shout out to Ali Grace Hair for sending me this beautiful unit. So the wig that I will be reviewing is their 13x4 lace front straight bob, and I got this in 14 inches and 180% density. So let's get started. I will be applying down my HD lace cap to achieve that natural look. And where my boyfriend running up on me like that? Anyways, you're gonna cut 2 tabs on the side of your ears, pull your ears out, because just do it, because that's how you do the install. And you're going to take some of your adhesive spray, or you can just take a little bit of your lace bonding glue, and you're going to put this around the front part of your hairline to make sure that the wig cap stays down. I usually do both. I usually take some of my adhesive spray and my bonding glue together, and I usually just put this around the perimeter around my hairline before I glue down my units. And once that's complete, I'm just going to take a little bit of my pressed powder, a little bit of foundation, and just blend that into the cap. That where it can match with my complexion under the wig. The goal is to make sure that it's giving scalp. You want to make sure that your unit is looking as natural as possible. So I'm just taking some scissors and I'm just going to cut off all that excess cap that I won't need. You want to make sure that you just have a nice bald foundation before we glue down the wig. So here's the bob, fresh out the package. So the wig does come pre-plucked and it has bleached knots. So the same foundation that I placed on my wig cap, I'm gonna also put into my lace. You wanna make sure that it's blending in really good. So now I'm just checking out the hairline. I am gonna have to pluck this a little bit more. I feel like I need to customize the hairline to kind of match up with mine, but that is no worries because I wanna fix that. So I'm gonna hot comb my hairline back, making sure that all the baby hairs, all the loose hairs, all of that is out the way, and then I'm just gonna glue her down and style her. So once I am finished, I'll be back with my final thoughts and commentary, so make sure you stay tuned for that.
and this I know for sure. But does she really wanna, but can't stand to see me walk out the door. Don't try to fight the feeling, cause the thought alone is killing me right now. Thank God for mom and dad for sticking together, cause we don't know how. Just don't get it if there's nothing at all. We've been together, oh, we've been together, but separate's always better when there's feelings involved. It's what they say is then what makes, then what makes, then what makes, then what makes, then what makes love exception. So why, oh, why, oh, why?
Break my back.
Don't stop.
So this is how she looks finished. I am in love with the hairline. I did pluck the hairline just a little bit to my liking. So I'm just going to go in with my concealer from Ruby Kiss, and I'm using the color Warm Honey to put into my parting space. This wig is definitely beginner friendly because I really didn't have to do too much to the unit, which I do love. And no, I didn't bleach the knots this time. She really didn't need it. So that's really good because I usually have to bleach the knots in majority of all of my darker tone wigs, but this time I really didn't have to do that. But overall, so far, this unit is bomb, and it's straight out the package, to be honest, babe. Straight out the package. I did not bleach the knots at all. I just had to tweeze the hairline just a little bit, and I also had to cut a little bit of excess lace by the ear tabs, and that's it. Like, she is looking like a natural silk press. Like, let's keep it a buck. If I was walking down the street right now, would you think this was a wig on my head? Absolutely not. You would think that I just got a fresh perm or something. This unit definitely gets a 10 out of 10 for me. I mean, this is so beautiful. Thank you, Allie Grace, for this unit. But yeah, make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And until next time, love and light. Bye.